Picture a digital ledger. Now imagine this ledger is not stored in one place but spread across numerous computers. That's blockchain in a nutshell. It's a decentralized system, meaning no single entity controls it. Think of it like a public library where everyone has a copy of the same book. This decentralized nature is a game changer. It eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. We don't need to trust a central authority to handle our transactions. With blockchain, trust is placed in the network itself. Pretty neat, right? Blockchain's structure also ensures immutability. Once a transaction is recorded, it's practically impossible to alter it. Each block in the chain contains a record of multiple transactions. These blocks are linked together chronologically, creating a tamper-proof history. It's like trying to erase something written in permanent marker, not happening. This immutability is crucial for maintaining trust and transparency. It provides an auditable trail of every transaction. Want to see where your money went? Just check the blockchain. It's all there, open for everyone to see. Now let's talk security. Blockchain uses cryptography to secure data. Imagine it as a super secure code that only authorized users can decipher. This ensures that only the rightful owners can access and manage their assets. But how are transactions verified? This is where the network comes in. When you initiate a transaction, it's broadcast to the entire network of computers. These computers, called nodes, then work together to verify the transaction. They use complex mathematical equations to confirm that you have the necessary funds and that the transaction is legitimate. This process is called mining. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block and added to the blockchain. This decentralized verification process makes blockchain incredibly secure. It's like having thousands of security guards checking every transaction. It's nearly impossible for a single entity to manipulate or corrupt the system. While blockchain is most commonly associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, its potential extends far beyond digital cash. One exciting application is smart contracts. Imagine a vending machine, but instead of dispensing snacks, it automatically executes agreements. That's a smart contract in a nutshell. These self-executing contracts are stored and enforced on the blockchain. They automatically trigger actions when certain conditions are met. For example, a smart contract could be used to automate payments between a freelancer and a client. Once the freelancer completes the agreed-upon work, the smart contract automatically releases the payment. No more chasing invoices or worrying about getting paid on time. Smart contracts have the potential to revolutionize various industries. From supply chain management to healthcare, the possibilities are endless. And as blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages and it faces its fair share of challenges. Scalability is a major concern. As the number of transactions grows, blockchain networks need to process them quickly and efficiently. Another challenge is energy consumption. Mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin requires significant computing power, which translates to high energy usage. Researchers are actively working on more sustainable solutions to address this issue. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain looks bright. Developers are constantly working on improvements such as Layer 2 solutions that increase transaction speed and reduce costs. New consensus mechanisms, like proof of stake, are emerging as a more energy-efficient alternative to traditional proof-of-work mining. And decentralized finance, or DeFi, is leveraging blockchain to create a more open and accessible financial system. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform our digital world. As we continue to explore its capabilities, we can expect to see innovative solutions that address real-world problems and create a more equitable and efficient future. And that's something worth getting excited about even if you don't fully understand the technical jargon.